We're here in Morristown today, getting ready to do a 16 by 18 Clopay Coachman. It's new construction for a building we do a decent amount of work with here in Morristown. Just getting everything set up and prepped and ready to go. Should be a good one. Stacking these sections up. Track's kind of up and in place. Springs put together. Getting ready to unpack and just put the glass section in place. All right, door stacked. Getting ready to put this spring up. Just making a little spring mount right now. Here. Looks good. Straps on, stuff that the handles. We've got some really cool ring handles that are really going to make this door. And once they get this all sided and everything, it's going to be beautiful. Alrighty, this one came out nice. They went with the nicer handles and strap hinges, the actual cast aluminum versus just the stamped steel that it comes with. And, I think on a plain door they made the right choice, especially once they get all this sided and done correctly to finished up. It's gonna look great.